Hey guys, it's Tiffany. What is freaking up, you guys? Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 2. I'm literally having the worst possible morning ever, but I'm kind of forcing myself to get over it. So if I'm being a little weird today, it's just because I'm not having a good morning. I made myself avocado toast, and every single avocado that I bought was rotten. I'm gonna try it though, because I am starving, and this was all I was looking forward to, and I kind of want to cry. You know when you're just having those really bad mornings and you're like looking forward to something? I was looking forward to this avocado toast, but all my avocados are rotten because they were not placed in the fridge. It's all right. But yeah, this morning was really rough. I went to bed last night at 3:30 a.m. because, like I told you guys yesterday, I was working on a TikTok for Aldo and it took me forever to get it up. And then this morning, Zoe woke me up at 8 a.m. Today's a rough day.
What a one. No.
Do you know the one that goes, and I think to myself,
and I think to
what the fuck?
No.
It's like the what the fuck version. All right, either way. Hey guys, so I'm feeling a little bit better today. I was not having a great morning, but I decided I'm gonna combine today's vlog and tomorrow's vlog together. So you guys will get Vlogmas Day 2 and Day 3 together because I really have not vlogged a lot today and I don't wanna give you guys a shitty ass vlog. We're thinking quality, not quantity, this Vlogmas. So if I don't have a good Vlogmas for you guys, it ain't going up. Matt did make us some delicious salmon. It smells so good. Tomorrow, we're leaving to Santa Barbara, so I'm so excited about that. So we have like a secret trip to Santa Barbara that I haven't really told you guys about. So Zoe is getting dropped off at Callie's tomorrow. Zoe, are you excited? Are you gonna stay with Callie tomorrow? You're not gonna be with us? All right, we're gonna eat. We're gonna watch Flipper Flop and eat. Honestly, I've been obsessed with HGTV right now because, of course, as you guys know, I'm renovating my own fixer-upper. So let me know if you guys have any other shows on HGTV that you guys enjoy watching. Zoe, come on. Why are you being so loud? Yeah? Do you like Flipper Flop? You like Flipper Flop, huh? Do you love me? You wanna give me a kiss? Hey guys, good morning. Happy Vlogmas Day 3! Guys, I am so sorry I did not have a Vlogmas Day 2. I struggled so hard getting footage yesterday just because I was not in the mood and I did not want to force myself to keep filming. But either way, today's a better day. It's already better, honestly. So today is an exciting day for Zoe because Zoe's going on a little vacation without us. She's going to be hanging out with Callie for the next 2 days because Matt, I, and all of his siblings are going to go to Santa Barbara for 2 nights. We booked out this like really nice Airbnb. I'm excited to show you guys. But I thought I would pack Zoe's stuff with you guys. So first things first, I have big and thick pet wipes. This is so whenever she walks outside, I always wipe down her paws right afterwards. We have this. I have some Wild Bits. These are treats that she absolutely loves. Then I have some of her favorite toys, which is this tug-of-war thingy. And this is like a nest. It used to have little birds inside of it, but she pulled out all the birds, but she loves the actual nest part. Then I got a ball. This is like a secret toy. Zoe goes crazy after balls. She is a ball hunter and she's not allowed to play with balls unless she's outside because she will go crazy inside a house. Then I have some calming bites. I'm gonna bring 2 of those for Zoe because she gets a little crazy. Then I pre-measured out all of her food for the next 2 days so Callie can just give her half today, half tomorrow. Actually, half tomorrow, half Sunday because Zoe already ate today. And then I have a leash, of course. And then we got Zoe's favorite thing ever. This is a yak bone. This is made out of yak's milk. It is a really hard cheese. It kind of replaces a bone because bones are kind of hazardous for dogs. So this is just made out of cheese, but it feels like a bone and it lasts forever. One of these will take Zoe like 2 weeks to actually eat in a sitting. And these are kind of expensive. These are like $10 a bone. Zoe, this is your bag. Oh my gosh, I have to pack your crate and your blankets. I'm so dumb. Okay, I'll be back. I gotta leave in literally a minute. All right, I have all of Zoe's stuff ready. We have her crate, we have her blankets, we have her bed, we have her bag full of stuff. She's doing a proper vacation. I'm kind of jealous of her. Zoe, this is goodbye. She does not care. She's so excited. She knows things. Oh, there's Callie. Oh my gosh, but this is so cute. Bye. All right, guys, I am home now. I just fully packed up everything. I didn't vlog it at all because I literally had 10 minutes to pack up all my stuff. And now we're heading out to Santa Barbara. So I think we're gonna stop by Malibu and grab lunch in Malibu. I really want lobster rolls in Malibu. Hoping everyone's down with me, but I don't know if that's gonna happen, but I really want it.
Hey guys, we made it!
Hi guys, we're in Santa Barbara. We're going to the grocery store. We're in like Wine City at Santa Barbara, so we're at Ralph's. Look how beautiful this, oh my god, it's so pretty. Look at how pretty this Ralph's is. I love the architecture in Santa Barbara. It's very Spanish. A lot of mission churches are here, and the architecture just represents all of that. It's so pretty. We're being real healthy here, guys. There's only five of us this weekend, or 6 of us this weekend, and we bought so many unhealthy snacks for literally 2 days, but I'm happy about it. Holy shit, guys, that is so much alcohol. We have a couple of healthy options with a lot of not so healthy options, but I love it. At Ralph's, if you buy 6 bottles of wine, it's 30% off. We're definitely utilizing that coupon. Oh, this is so heavy. Ow. Alright guys, we're at the Airbnb and it's so nice, so pretty, and so clean. It literally looks like a new construction house. I can't believe this is an Airbnb. It's like the cleanest Airbnb I've ever been in. Before we put everything away, I thought I'd give you guys a quick little house tour of the entire Airbnb. It's so nice. Alright, so you walk in and this is kind of the kitchen. This is the kitchen. I feel like the beach vibes are very real in this kitchen. I love it. We have our dining room area. Very rustic vibes with this like door frame, and then we have a giant mirror for some outfit of the days. This is today's outfit, by the way. I'm wearing Stax leggings, this top from Urban Outfitters, and then this jacket I believe is from Princess Polly, and then the shoes are Adidas. Then we have the TV area and a little ping pong table right here on this side. Is this another bedroom? Oh, it's an office? I'm like shocked they don't have a bedroom in here. They could easily fit a bed in here. Over here we have the bedroom. So Matt and I decided we're gonna be sleeping in this bedroom. It has a nice king size bed, and we have kind of like a view of the neighbors over here, which is really nice. Then here's the closet. So nice. We have Andrew and Jennifer's room. They're not here yet. They'll be here soon, but we decided this is going to be their room. And then we have Jessica and Mike's room. So this is Jessica and Mike's room. This is the master bedroom. We wanted to give it to them. So nice. I think Mike might be in the bathroom, so I'm not going to show you guys the bathroom. And then we have the shared bathroom. And this bathroom is so sick, so clean. It literally looks like no one's ever lived here before, but they have a bunch of like 5-star reviews on Airbnb, and I'll like link the Airbnb in another video because I'll still be here until Sunday. So on Sunday I'll link the Airbnb link down below if you guys want to ever go to Santa Barbara. Okay, and here is the side yard area. We have a little hot tub. We should turn the hot tub on. So cute. This is so freaking adorable.
Is it not on?
Maybe, but it's probably not at the temperature we need it at. It looks like that's the hottest it goes. 104. Okay. I want to get in there like in an hour. It's so cold in Santa Barbara. This is so cute. The only sucky thing about this Airbnb is that you're not allowed to use the spa past 10 p.m., which is very very early. It's currently like 60 degrees in Santa Barbara. It's freezing. Okay, let's put everything away. We bought so many groceries. This fridge is so nice. It's so massive. Okay, I'm gonna make everything look really aesthetic in here. Alright guys, I just finished organizing the fridge. A lot of it is just a bunch of drinks. We really didn't buy a lot of food that belongs in the fridge. I just organized it a little bit. We have all our White Claws here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 different flavors. We have 2 over here. We have Matt's favorite passion fruit sparkling waters. We have some Bud Lights. We have some Big Wave beers. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bottles of wine. And then for our food that is perishable, we have some guacamole, pepper jack cheese, sharp white cheddar cheese. Then we have petite carrots and roasted garlic hummus. We did buy one thing, which are these English muffins, light turkey sausage, egg white and cheese. Never had them, but they look very good. All right, and then over here we have all of our snacks. We bought 2 bags of Skinny Pop popcorn, tortilla chips, 2 different styles of tortilla chips. We bought my favorite Pringles ever. These are the Scorchin' Barbecue. So freaking delicious. Best flavor ever. We have some Ritz crackers, some Cheez-Its, cheddar jack. We have home-styled pretzels, nacho cheese Doritos, Triscuit, pistachios. I think this belongs in the fridge. This is some salami, salsa, and 2 bananas. Time for 1 o'clock. You want to pour me a glass?
Yes. This is the nice stuff.
What is that, red?
This is the, no, black.
Black?
It's actually really good. It tastes like juice. It's not fair. It's not
natural.
Is it cold?
It can't be.
Can it be beer bong?
Put some ice in it.
You want to try it?
Wait. It tastes amazing.
That honestly is very good.
Mikey likes it. It's good. Oh, by the way, this is Jessica, Mike.
Hi.
We got Andrew and Jennifer and Matthew. Cheers, guys.
Jen, what's your phone at 10% off?
I have to turn the working off. No, it's not charging.
Phone off.
Wrist movement shot.
Hey,
It's the first
I shot over every time. The first time.
That's the partner to have. Nice. Bring that back. You feel good?
I love ya, you ain't even got to say it back, but I hope you ain't been on the ledges for the act. And I see you messing around with other brothers, and I gotta say you ain't gon' catch me waiting around for that. See my baby, she don't play, yeah. Well, at least that's what I thought, like yesterday. No, but you've been on some other shit just as of late. Yeah.
We lost. And I fucking won. Honestly, you're really good.
We're living. Let's go.
And the Bears lose.
Tiffany definitely doesn't know this is happening. Callie, if you're editing this, don't edit. We're in the flesh of Tiffany playing beer pong. Let's see what happens.
It's like time to make it.
That's really good.
If you're seeing this, I love you
That's really
so
good.
much.
That is
Thirst trap. Tiffany clocking in our orders. Tiffany is literally the sweetest person I know. Literally takes care of everyone that is happening.
What are you whispering, sweet Nitty? Someone has to go through that fucking footage and edit.
I already shouted her out. Callie?
Don't make more work for her, is all I'm saying.
More
You know,
work?
when you get footage, you gotta cut it, like, look.
Yeah, and they see this clown on it, and they're like, all right, done for the next 5.
Look at this sweet little child right here.
Apparently the party hasn't shown up.
Right, take it easy on her face.
Fuck you, my fuck. Oh yeah.
That was
Beautiful kiss.
the best thing right there.
We need
I'll
the
show you a beautiful kiss. Hey, hey.
noises and people
Half
what
of
we
my
live by.
heart is a banana. Alright, we gotta shoot.
She's dead. She's dying.
Right there, baby.
We got Chick-fil-A!
In the building.
Play all day with Chick-fil-A.
Okay, I'm being so annoying. Spicy chicken, no pickles.
Now we actually we found our down.
Ketchup. Hey guys, little update here. So we just got out of the hot tub. Honestly, it felt so nice. The only bad thing is we had to leave by 10 p.m. and it is 9:58 p.m. I already washed myself. I'm wearing the same pants I was wearing earlier because I thought I brought sleeping pants to wear, but they're like the tightest little shorts ever, and it's more comfortable to wear these really tight leggings than the shorts that I brought. Either way, I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas Day 3. I thought I'd end the vlog here. And if you guys are a part of the end of the video crew, comment down below. Comment down below. Those are some cool posters. So if you guys comment that, I'll know you guys made it to the end of the video. And everyone who makes it to the end of the video are literally my favorite people ever, because it means you guys genuinely just like watching my videos, and it makes me happy because my videos are kind of long sometimes. So it's nice to know that some of you guys are still sticking around at the end. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas. And if you guys are new, make sure to subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another Vlogmas. Bye guys. Bye.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.